Okay, so you want to install FC3 graphics mod. Well, here is how you do it. Well, firstly you will download these files and then you're gonna copy this into your Far Cry binary folder. I'm just gonna replace it because I already have it. I'm gonna install Reshade. We'll open it. Click on OK. We're gonna click browse. We're gonna select Far Cry 3.exe. Never run it with DirectX 11 because we don't really need DirectX 11. You'll have to install all the effects, but I have already installed them all. As you can see, I installed Sweat Effects, I installed FX shaders, I installed Quint and Astray, and that's it. So you don't really have to install all of them. You can just install these and you'll be done. Once you download all the effects, you'll just click on next and press finish. After that, you'll open up text mod. You will browse your Far Cry 3.exe, select that TPF and then start the game. In the game, you're gonna press home and select your preset and you are good to go.